All right, it is time. Just started raining. Can you believe that? Anyway, what I was saying is it is time to try and start this motorcycle. First start, I've never heard this run. I've got everything kind of set up, but haven't made any adjustments to the carburetor. Haven't adjusted the timing just yet. Let's see if I can get some fuel in the tank. There we go. We've got fuel. Let's see if we have enough fuel. That should be enough, at least for a first start. Choke on these is down for some reason. Power is on. I think that's everything. Oh man, so easy.